program. I think you could be helping children this semester. If y'all want to help children at Christian, private, low-income schools, low-income kids, if you want to help, all children, the P.A.C.E program will actually satisfy or cover about 97% of the children that are out there. The only children that are not covered under P.A.C.E, quite frankly, are the wealthy kids that are already in private school. So what I want to do is go out to Senator Johnson's area of the hinterland counties out there in South Carolina. I live in Greenville, from Charleston originally, but I want to go out there and help schools. Help people that want to set up a school. I was in Sumter and briefly spoke or commented on the P.A.C.E ESA debate at the Sumter County GOP meeting last Thursday, and they have, I think, 9 private schools in Sumter County. And there's 20-some-odd public schools. But there are people out there that need help, that don't understand why we would set up a program, an ESA program, that's run by the government. And certainly as conservatives, we have a majority. I'm a Republican, as the chairman of the Greenville County Republican Party. We have a supermajority in the House, and we have a near supermajority here in the state Senate. We ought to be passing conservative legislation that the Democrats have supported, that we want to get out there and help low-income kids all across the state. So we're working hard to get the information out there. We want to work cooperatively. I've called Senator Bennett's office many a time. I think Senator Hembry's probably received our calls. I think he talked to my wife one time till he realized she knew what she was talking about in this program. But we want to help. Come talk to us.